Ka Villa Catherine P. Lingdo, ka samla ka balawan ha ka Kyrdan baningkong nak result examen secondary school leaving certificate SSLC ka balapan bana ha ka step jong ka santarek uyayong arhaja arpusan da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education embos ha papan pa kikentian penslur syaki waipat kalaong. Baka jingyay persyang banambo teng bat ka jingya chakmat klemret kidai kisien jam ban poi syaka jingjab. Kini kesamla ka balarap buram ya ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School Jowai da ka barong ha ka Kyrdan beningkong bat ka Leisha Agarwal na St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School Shillong da ka bayok ban kurmar sanspa prapuar marks kalaong baki aka kidai bandon ya ka mon ban sedang klem da kemilenti ya ka jinglong janai. Ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School tang bakalayo ya ka nam ha ka Kyrdan beningkong na pedeng ki top 20 Henry ka batru ya ka Kyrdan bapra lingba urana Miki Dhar bat ka Kyrdan bakat nyo lingba u hamil lamsuk hadam.
When I got the result, I will admit it, but I was shell-shocked. Not because I was not expecting it, but because it felt so great. All throughout the year, I've been studying, putting in all the effort I could, studying. Even while eating, sometimes I would still think of books. So I really did think that, okay, God will really reward me for my hard work. But it's just that when I saw my name on the first rank, it kind of shook something in me. I felt grateful, I felt happy that my hard work has paid off. So yes, overall, when I saw my result, I felt a bit overwhelmed, but at the same time, it was only because I was happy that all my hard work and effort throughout the year has paid off. Regarding my aspiration, I actually will say I have not yet decided. Yes, but there's a but. I'm planning that in whatever field I take, whatever job or work I do later on in my life, I want to excel in it. I want to give my all, to study my best. And regarding my aspiration, I would say my motto is to work hard no matter what. Like my father and my mother has always taught me the importance of hard work. No matter where I am in life, I'll work hard. So my main aspiration is just to keep putting in the effort, whatever I do. An advice that I have to give to all the other students, the younger students, including the older ones, I would think it would be effort. Of course, it's a common thing. It's common knowledge to know that effort is very important to succeed in anything in life. But I believe most of the time we forget, especially in this growing world today, a lot of distractions, and people keep forgetting that we have to put in a lot of effort. Throughout my studying for this year, even before, I put in a lot of effort, and yes, my routine was not perfect. Sometimes I feel I wasn't able to study, but the best thing of all was that I was able to get up again. Whenever I fall down, I get up again. So it's a cycle. So to all the other students, I want to tell them that you don't have to be perfect to start right now. Start wherever you are, start studying. Maybe you did not work hard before, but they still have a chance now. They should start, even if they've already fallen down, they should start now and continue to put in their effort. And whenever they work with all their mind and heart, because if we do anything half-heartedly or just for the sake of doing it, or just for marks, then we won't be able to succeed in life. So yes, I request and I encourage everyone to put in the effort to do something that will make them happy to continue to grow in life and to develop. So regarding my stream for 11, 12 and for onwards, I'm going to choose science. Science and why? And science and why? Well, because I've been interested in biology, we could say. There's a lot of things that fascinates me about it, and I've also had an aim to learn more about the subject, more about what is all about life, how we came to be here, all about the chemicals, physics that is taking place. Basically, I want to learn more about our surroundings, about us human beings, and how life works.
Ngamo chanya oblai ni bah nem oblai yi la mye mani wajah dan hewan hewan ni kami boleh le nga Atiar coblai kan rat dari borong oblai dengan ngat wiyok le ni bah tak wa liyo bit oblai ma rengkat we jingkrak citam te u expect mem ong wa the expect tang wa de chania au blai wa da ong le kat wiyo de huna utok nga de eti lut kat ye wiyo ijing thmu le ni jing ang not yong nga to man I pe hapdi yong nga wo blai ma kat te cho nga I wa plano ni bha kam khti nu blai ong ga wa kibru ki plan gi tang blai wa establish ma tenga kat te cho mpu no ong yi wa kwa tang wa nga nga wa Iwan wiyo le de jing chitam kra chitam yanga ublai daw ya lutio wei daw iu te jing ang not yanga mtoi advice tang ini to nakaktin ublai ma 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31 so whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God tenga jing sia nga na bo yo blai hakmat yi ivle daw man iva say so but how blai yi ivle ye man na de chania io na vro I dot no dong I
nga la gam zo de ti lot oblai kat we jing prestom ta de yo fi result ami de pet kre ba he ndu sang snam he ta do yap he ta de ti lot oblai da kong do yo oblai kat ki bagi pa ki staff yang skor Wei kam so ibu yung hasam giperlok idor. Kam piu do yam prestom wei ngai oblai.
Nakaliang uba Richard Yuria principal ulapan pau ka jingkman baka school kala yo hadu lightly ki Kyrdan naki arpau tali ki basa khmat kham tam baka school kan rakhi ya ka jingdap arpusan snam ka jingya lenti jongka.
Wonderful results that the students of North Liberty had bagged this year. In fact, the students, the teachers, the parents had all worked together as a team this year. This has been a very special year for us. In fact, this is the year that our school turns 25. North Liberty turns 25 years old this year. After 25 years as a principal, there's no dream that any principal would not have dreamt that one of his students would one day be the topper of the state. I thank God for this result, and I thank our wonderful students that they have done so well.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya